What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? It's your boy Big Man. Today I am making a guitar seatbelt strap. As you can see, I already cut the buckles off the old straps, and I already cut the new straps. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. So imagine the buckles wasn't there already, and this was the seatbelt strap. So what I did, I put one cut. In the strap, and then I ran it through the loops on the seatbelt buckles. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to put it on the sewing machine, and yeah, I'm finna get it in here. What I'm about to do, man, I'm about to gonna sew this together, and we're gonna see what's happening. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna double stitch it, so I'm gonna change the setting on my sewing machine to 02, which means it's gonna double stitch it. So make sure I get everything right. Here we go.
Y'all see that?
There we go. So let's see what we got. As you can see, it's double stitched. Seatbelt strap holding on. We're gonna cut the thread, and I think I'm gonna run another stitch through there. Let me see what I did. Okay, I don't know what my scissors is, so I'm gonna use this little box cutter blade or X-Acto knife to cut that off. And what I'm about to do is I'm about to run another set of double stitching through it to make sure that when I put my base or my guitar on the strap that it don't come loose. So here we go with the second pass of double stitching. Boom, there we go. Hopefully it sewed. Yes, it did. Sometimes thread will come loose from the bobbin. If you know about sewing, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. If not, don't even worry yourself. Go learn how to sew or something. I don't know, hand sew it. But anyway, there go that part. So this part will hook to the bottom of the guitar. This part will be the top. So once I sew it together, it looks something like that. You will hook that to the top part, hook that to the bottom, and bam, there you go with it. Even though I'm about to do the same thing with this strap before sewing it, I guess I'll let y'all see me doing it anyway, because it's gonna be a short vlog today as far as this making a guitar strap video. But ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it. Here we go, double stitching pass on the top part. I learned how to sew back in high school. Then I hadn't sewed in a while. I started back sewing this year. I don't really do nothing major, but I can make pillows. I done made a few things other than pillows, but we ain't gonna discuss all that. You know, y'all probably not interested. But if you are, then hit me up. You know, it is automotive related, which is basically what my channel is about. Anything automotive, cars, trucks, ATVs, anything that got wheels on it. You might see me riding a motorcycle on the next vlog. I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, here goes the second pass on the top part. Bam, is that easy? Raise up your needle, put it out, cut your thread. I don't think it's, hopefully it's sewed. I think we got something coming loose. But anyway, y'all get the picture, man. I think it did so. I think it just thread broke at the end. The thread that's running from the top and go through the needle broke off. Anyway, it is sewed. It ain't going nowhere, as you can see. I'm pulling it. I am a big guy. I'm a big guy. As you can see them veins popping in them arms. You know what I'm saying? Ferocious, man. But yeah, man, it's holding on. Boom, there you go. And for some of y'all who second guessing my work, I'm about to go get my $1,300 Fender American Standard bass and show you that what I just made It's for real. So we'll be right back. I'm back. I got my P-base. I'm about to hook this strap up too. Just to let you see that it is a working strap. Let me loosen it up. I'm a big guy. I can't get this around me. Yeah, man, I'm a wide guy, you heard? But check me out. Check me out, man. Check me out. No hands, you heard me? No hands. I'm going to bounce with it. It ain't coming loose. Now, if I thought it was going to come loose, I wouldn't dare be doing this because, like I say, I paid quite a bit for this base. But, yeah. GM strap, man. I got it out square body truck. So, it's kind of significant to me because I'm building a square body truck. So, I got a square body buckle, you hear me? So, hey, it is what it is, man. Till next time, man, we holler at you.